Here it is, the ultimate couples unit. If you're looking for a nice travel trailer that's just like new, but you don't want to pay the $60,000 plus, take a look at this, folks. We got ourselves a CrossRoads Zinger ZR280RK. RK means rear kitchen. This is a slightly used unit with a power awning, a large slide out here for the dining area, U-shaped dinette, and also the sofa, bedroom up front. Let's go in. Folks, this is a certified pre-owned unit, so those two propane tanks will be filled up. We got ourselves a power tongue jack out front. That battery will be fully charged or replaced if needed. We got power stabilizer jacks front and rear. Okay, now let's go in. My favorite feature, doggy leash latch or a bottle opener. Here we go, folks. There is the sofa that does convert into a bed. Beautiful U-shaped dinette. Of course, that converts into a bed. Awesome rear kitchen. Look at the countertops. Condition is like new. We have not cleaned this unit yet, and it looks great. Two recliners, huge window. We got a fireplace that throws out some heat. Soundbar, TV's already there. This fridge, by the way, works on propane and electricity. Super clean. All right, control panel. Bathroom up next. Yes, that is a porcelain toilet. Look at the storage. Couple of hooks up here. Sink, medicine cabinet, stand-up shower with a fan. Nice and clean, smells good. All right, up next, master bedroom. Ta-da! Here's in her closets. Plug-ins. Great spot here for CPAP machine, USB connections, and also another spot for a TV. All right, folks, nice and quick, painless. If you are liking this trailer, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment with them. They'll get this coach opened up for you. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick. See you soon.